right, let's proceed now. All right, I was explaining how we get the 4x for those persons who would have an issue with the 4x. Now, we're subtracting 5x's from 9x's, and this is how it is done. So we write out our 9x's. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That's 6, that's 7, that's 8, that's 9. That's 9. So we have 9x's here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, people mute your mic.
Exposed to charges.
Good. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9x's right here. Now we say we're supposed to subtract 5x's from it. So this is how we do it. We cross out 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many are left with? 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. Right? So please bear in mind, you need to know what the expressions mean. Many times persons are doing algebra and they fall down dreadfully because they do not read the expressions. Right? You have to read the expressions in order to understand what the statement is saying or what it means. It's talk about algebraic expressions, the same thing as algebraic statements. Clear? Is that clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, everybody. Both of you for responding. All right.
So I'm going to say yes, sir.
Oh, you're going to say yes?
Yeah, man, not talk to you.
You gonna say yes, man? Me hear you now. You seeing the board clearly, Andre? Nice to hear your voice, sir.
Oh, God, they just see me. Oh, yes, sir. I'm saying yes.
All right, wonderful. Nice to hear your voice. And this is Mr. Bernard.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, good. So let's remove this from here now. All right, so now we're going to move on to D now. Who can give me the answer for D? Andre, you want to try?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Go ahead. 3x minus 7x.
Yeah.
And while Andre is trying, everybody should be trying.
4x, sir.
All right, it is for x, but not exactly for x. What it really is
Sir?
negative 4x. Yes,
Oh.
Nicole? Yes.
Oh, that's what I was going to say.
Okay, Nicole. I was wondering how you're so quiet. Very good try, Andre. It's negative 4x. And let me show you why it is negative 4x. All right, I like to use a number line. When you guys are doing negative and positive numbers together in terms of addition and subtraction, it is very wise to use a number line, all right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's use a number line. So we're going to put 0 right here. And then let's just mark off the lines first. So we're going to have negative 1 here, negative 2 here, negative 3 here, negative 4 here, negative 5 here, and negative what now? 6 here, negative 7 here, right? And we're going to have what now? 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, and 5 here. All right. Now you have to ensure, well, let me just put in the values first. This is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Well, you can fill up the rest in your time. This is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, and positive 5. All right. Now let us ensure that everything is organized first. Don't want you guys to get confused. All right, so there we go. Now, when you're doing mathematics, ladies and gentlemen, you have to ensure that you read. Another person say, but no word and the sir, so how me I gonna read? Of course you can read it. You read it with meaning, and that is how you ought to read anything at all with meaning. No. So this is saying positive 3x. So we look for positive 3, which is right here. Where I'm pointing, it is positive 3. Now, when we're taking away on the number line, we're going in the opposite direction. Good? We're in the opposite direction. Everybody heard me?
Yes, sir.
Which direction are we going?
Opposite.
Opposite direction. Watch this now. So first we have to identify 3, which is right here. Then we're going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we took 7 from it, right? Or left it, negative 4. And that's it. That's it. Remember the video is recorded, so just in case you missed all of that, you can rewatch the recorded session of the class and you'll see it. All right, you can subscribe. When you find it, you can subscribe so you can know when the others are being posted on YouTube, that is. All right. Okay, okay. So that's D now. So very good try, Andre. Now you understand how it in your answer. All right, E now. Check 5x minus 9x.
17x minus 9x.
No, 5x plus 5x. Oh yes, 17x minus 9x. What's the answer?
Hold on.
Are you hearing whispering in the background? So if anybody helping anybody, just kind of stop the helping thing around here. All right, here's just very
It's
key.
x.
How much you get? 8x.
8x. Yes.
And that's correct. 8x is the answer.
Oh my god.
8x is the answer. So when you add these two, you just subtract 9 from it, from the total, and you get your 8x. All right? Very good. Good job. All right. Now, who haven't called on us yet? Trudy. 15x minus x plus x. Trudy, go ahead. Trudy? Where's Sister Trudy?
Sir, that would
Yeah.
be 6x.
6x. All right. So, you sure it's 6x? 15x minus 9x plus x.
So
Yeah?
Can I try?
All right. Go ahead, Chanel. Go ahead.
Would it be 7x since it says plus x?
Yes, 7x. So that means it's nah, you know, maximize 7x is the answer. That's correct, Chanel. Very good. So you take 9 from 15, you get 6, and you add the next x, you get 7x. Job well done. All right, so everybody did a good job so far. Thank you for participating. I love that. So now we're going to go down now to the other section of it. And let me share the secret with you, though. I don't know if I should share the secret with you. Yeah, I'm going to share the secret with you. These questions are basically examples in the textbook. And why am I sharing the secret with you? because I want you to recognize that when you're using examples in your textbook, you must work them over back until they get the same answer. If you get the same answer, then happen. If you get the same answer, you get the same answer, then you get your doing the right thing. Right? The first exercise practice, right? Good. So that's how we want to do. The second one is the right one. So, no. Then get rid of this. Answer that. No. All right. So, oh, sure. When you finish the wet clothes them here. All right, when you finish writing, let me know. Bear in mind the that was given. All right.
Must do it again.
Of course, I'll no problem. Hey, the sun. Only them beaches. Last 3 minutes more to finish writing it off. Now, what's up? What's up? That sounds like Andre is ready to give his first answer. Ready, sir?
What's I'm writing, sir?
Oh, you're still writing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir,
Chevelle, go ahead.
A is 5x plus 11y plus 7z.
All right. So, wait. So, what are going to compare their answer to Chevelle to see if she is right? What's the answer you get? 5x
Yes, sir. Plus 11y.
plus 11y.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Plus z.
Plus what?
7z. Or
7z. Just tell me the Jamaican one. I don't want to hear the other one, please. Because me not hear it properly. Z you said before, don't it?
yes, sir.
Exactly. All right. How she got the 5x? Following the rules. It's a rule number one at the top over here. It says only like terms can be added or subtracted. You might be wondering, how do you know when the terms are alike and when they are not alike? Okay. Now, if you look at 9x and 3y, they are very different, right? Now, the numeral that you can identify, which is beside the letter, it is often called the um, coefficient. And the letters, the alphabet or any other symbol is referred to as the variable. Okay? So the number beside the letter is called your coefficient and the letter is a variable. Now you might be asking what is the function or the purpose of the coefficient. Now of course, as I showed you up here, it basically gives you the sum of the variable because there are 9x's and when you add all of them, there are 9x's. When you add the 3y, there are 3y's. Now, as you say negative 5z, now if you had 5 negative z's, then of course it's negative 5z. All right, so bear that in mind. So what makes a distinction now with the expressions is the variable, the letters. So 9x and 3y are not alike, so we cannot add them nor subtract them. Good? 3y and negative 5z are not alike, so we cannot add them nor subtract them. Please bear in mind that the signs, meaning the positive and the negative signs, has nothing to do with the distinctions, only the variables. So we're going to group them now. So 9x minus 4x would have given us 5x. And that's what she has there. We're going to group the 3y's now. 3y plus 8y would have given us 11y. And that's what she has there. So I break it down. So anybody get B wrong, you're in trouble. Come and make sure I break it down and show you what you're supposed to do. Now, negative 5z now, when you put that with 12z, and if you use a number line, you'd have recognized that your answer would have been 7z. Because this time, instead of going this direction, you'd have gone the other direction. Because you're going in this direction instead, right? You'd have identified negative 5 on your number line, and they are 12 times going all the way to your count out 12, and you'd have ended up with 7z. So that is how we should have gotten all three parts of the answer. Then you put them together now, and what you'll get? 5x plus 11y plus 7z. Simple. But nobody should get the others incorrect. Okay? Alright. So anybody ready for B now? Anybody wants to give me B? Or should I call on a name? Shorty, let's say if you're on fire same way, or you went in the refrigerator to get cool.
Me make a mistake with number one. I made the make I had 12x instead of 12z, so it may have finished.
Okay.
I may have set up back.
Okay then, ma'am.
I was on the right track.
Okay, very good. That's what I would like to hear. So you have a valid excuse there. Okay. Alright. Nicole, you're quiet. Nicole, you're very quiet. Do you have an answer for us, please?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Okay.
Sir.
Yes, Andre, go ahead.
The square, that means you multiply 2 times.
No, all right. When you're doing addition and subtraction of algebraic terms, you do not pay attention to the function of the indices. All right? Good.
Yes, sir.
Just the letters you're using to make the distinction.
Okay, sir.
Right. In some cases, the indices does, because if you have a 15x squared plus a 7y cube, you can't add those, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, Chevelle?
7x squared plus 2y squared.
You giving me the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remember, say if you raise it on here.
Yes, sir.
Alright, Andre, I should show you how to use the software. So if you want to raise on, I'll show you how that is done, alright?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What answer you say you get now, Trevor?
7x squared plus 2y squared.
7x squared. We are go outside, go there. Huh? 7x squared plus, yeah, go ahead now.
2y squared.
2y squared. Oh gosh, sorry. Yeah, and what else? That's it? Okay, that's it. Yes. Alright, so how she got that now? Same procedure. She like the terms 15x squared and 8x squared are the same. So she subtract 8 from 15, she got her 7x squared. Then now, or 2y, once again, you use a number line, and you'd have gotten positive 2, and you remain at the y squared. Everybody got that correct? Chanel got that correct, Chanel?
Nope.
You got it incorrect. That means you didn't write off the notes. You weren't following the notes up here.
I got 7x squared minus 2y squared.
You cannot get minus 2y because if you use a number line, you would have seen that you don't you have to add. Use the number line. When you guys come on to this part, to get the full score, don't play it in the exam. Use the number line. C, Nicole, C is yours. And then Andre, let's see if we could try out with Andre drop off. All right, Nicole, you're a C, and then Chanel, they're gonna try on the D. Nicole, you're a C, then Chanel is gonna try on the D. Yo, the test done. How much you get this time? Eh? All right, are you ready for me now, Nicole?
Sure, the one you're mixing up. What you for me now?
I must go through it for you. If I go through it for you, I won't be around the computer. So you have to go through it for me. Start me off. All right, where the mix-up part start? Tell me where you find the mix-up. Where you having the mix-up part of it? Nicole, tell me where you have the mix-up part of it. Nicole, are you there? I'm ready to go through it with you. So but you have to tell me where you have the mix-up part. Yeah, go ahead
Sure,
now.
it's 3a squared minus a squared plus a squared.
All right, 3a squared. Oh, you're giving me the answer or you're going through it?
I'm asking.
Oh, 3a squared b minus a squared b. Those are the two like ones, yes.
No, but I'm taking out the a's first.
No man, don't take out no a. At the number, at the coefficients you're really working with now, you know. If when you're doing addition and subtraction of algebraic terms, you're only dealing with the coefficients. You're not dealing with the variables. You only use
Oh,
the variables to show the distinction. Is that clear?
oh,
All right.
So 3
Okay, I'm listening. Go ahead.
so 3a squared b stands alone.
3a squared b, if it stands alone.
Yeah. Yeah. Or can you just
3a square
minus
b.
the
Hold on, are you asking if 3a square b stands alone? That's what you're asking me?
yeah, all right. In for C, it says 3a squared b.
Yeah.
That one. So there's no other 3a squared b. So do we just
No, but is
minus it by a
no,
squared b?
but that is it. You must minus it by a square b because that is what makes it make it like. This is what makes it
So the
like.
okay.
Yeah. You see
Because
that
this is
thing?
the truth. Yeah, okay.
See, remember, you know, folks, the rules say only like terms that bear for you must look for the terms that are like. They must be very much like twins.
Okay, so it's 3a squared b minus a squared b.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Mhm. Okay. So you're right, after. One thing get wrong for language. Right, I one thing wrong for language. For sure. Already gone. Alright. Alright. So just go back to some maths. Alright, so the ones in the maths you get wrong, go back in your textbook and look for examples for it to show you if you did
Can I try some of the D?
if you can try.
Yeah, I want to try because it's very complicated. This one,
You sure
C.
that's how you want to ask the question?
Yeah.
I think you know why I ask you that, right?
All right, let me try.
If you can try, you should say, may I try?
Sir Jesus.
You have one person should ever make that mistake.
I'm not in. You see me attack patois? I'm not in that frame of mind right now.
Okay,
I'm
man.
just trying to get this.
Okay,
All right.
you're not on the stage. All right.
No.
Okay, man.
All right.
Go ahead now.
I just so 3a squared b minus a squared b
Mm-hmm.
would be 2a squared b.
She's a little drunk at the moment.
2a squared b. All right. So we
All
have.
right.
Hold on, I'm gonna finish writing.
Still with your inability to do
Oh,
Sorry.
sorry. Sorry, it's B.
because of you. What are you gonna do?
Okay, continue now.
Yeah.
B.
And 4a squared b, 4ab square minus 3ab square would be do I write 1ab square or just leave it as ab square?
Leave that AB square.
Leave it as ab square.
Yes.
Plus a2b a square b square because there's no other like term like that.
Very good.
Oh my god.
Yeah, learn. So that means I may teach. You know, answer to that one there. May I teach?
Yes you are. Oh god. Alright, so somebody else get the
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
okay. Alright.
Wonderful. So who was supposed to the C? Nicole? Who wants to the D? Nicole, you can do the D first, please. Hope you have heard the explanations. If you didn't get it clear, let me know so I can go back over it for you.
I
All right.
did not get it clear. Please go through it.
All right, I'm gonna go back for you. All right, let's go. All right. Note of all. Let's observe now, Nicole, please. Note what we're going to do now. All right, everybody. Those who didn't get it correct. Now you have to identify only the like terms. See? So we look if we're going to start off with this one. Look for the one that looks like this. Let's look at it. Now look at it now. Yes, there's a 3 here and there's an imaginary one here. However, it has the a square b in common. So we will group those two. You see that before?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So you have 3a square b. I will group that now with the minus a square b. So that's a square b. I want to know follow the steps and you can't go wrong, you know. So now I'm gonna put the answer for this. Now one, the imaginary one is supposed to be here. So 1 from 3 is 2. And we'll put in our a square b. So it is 2a square b. All right. Now, what's next now? What's next now? So the other one that is like now, you went and tell me now, which one matches 4ab squared? Nicole, which one matches with 4ab squared?
3b squared.
3ab squared. Good. All right. So you will match them. So you have to match them first, right? That's how you're gonna get it. You gotta match them first. Chevrolet, Trudy, line up yourself for D, please. That's minus 3ab squared. Now we get a 1. You do have to put the 1 beside it, just leave it as ab squared. You get that?
Yes,
Get
I
that?
know that one. Yeah.
Good. All right. So now the third group. Now there's no third group because guess what? Now with those no other with those there's nothing to match a square and b square with. So it's gonna stay by itself, right?
Yeah.
Good. So it stays by itself, and that's why now the answer then is you have a square and then you have b square. So, good. So you put everything together, you'll get back the same answer up here. All right? And they're all positive. No negative. Says 2a squared b plus ab squared plus a squared b squared. Now, you see, once you get these parts, the reason why I start the algebra so easy for you, because if you understand the basic expressions, when you get into the more algebraic work, then you use the basic knowledge, the basic understanding to be able to function well. All right? Okay. Who's ready for D now? Okay, Chevelle, I like that. You have raised your hands. Go ahead, ma'am.
Sir, 5.6 p
Right.
cube.
All right, hold on. Let me write the equal sign. 5.6 what?
P square q
what is that? P square cube
Yes, sir.
or P square? P square or P square cube? P
P
square.
squared to Q
Oh, Q. Sorry.
plus
Hold on.
4,
Plus how much?
4.7
4. 4.7 what?
PQ
All right.
Q
4.7
7
P
PQ
cube.
Q.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sure. That's not it. You're not finished yet. You're not finished yet, no. But by the way, oh, you get 4.7 PQ cube. Which one they match with this? Which one did they match with this? You tell me which one they match with it.
So I did see that the 5, the one of the 5 had a 2, not a 3.
Okay. Okay. So you see, you need to use your eyes. You need to open up your eyes wide. Like when Trudy open up her eyes wide. See that? So you need to open up your eyes wide, you see? Alright. So if you need a spectacle, you'll get a spectacle. Alright? So nice try, but you need to correct that. That is not right.
So it will be
D 1.5.
Okay, Andre is back on the board.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. Alright. Please bear in mind, Andre, that this video will be recorded. It is recorded, so if you miss whatever you missed, you'd have seen it on the YouTube, alright?
Yes, sir.